Hello everyone. Thanks for clicking on this video. You must be local or thinking about coming into our store. That is amazing. I would encourage you to head and check our hours. Make sure that we're open. Give us a call before you come in. And the one thing that I would really want to make clear before anybody drops in is that our stroller and car seat area we do by appointment, which means that all of the fabulous stuff that you see in these videos, why they're in such great condition is because I personally work, or my coworker personally works with every single person that comes through here and shows the strollers and the car seats with one-on-one consultations. So if you are on our website, destinationbabykids.com, and you want to come into the store to see a stroller or a car seat, you do have to book a consultation prior to coming in. If you drop in, sometimes we can accommodate and book you out for right then and there. However, weekends in particular have been filled up, and I think right now I'm booked out for the next 2 to 3 weekends. So I would encourage you again to head to that website, destinationbabykids.com. Right on our homepage, it reads stroller and car seat consultation. You can read a little bit more about it there. So one other part of it is that we do take a small deposit when we do the appointment. There's a short appointment, there's a long appointment, but the idea is that we collect a nominal fee. And then once you make your decision about problem solving, wouldn't have to be that same day. The money that you've paid for your appointment time gets applied to your stroller and car seat purchase. So it's just our way of ensuring that if you're coming in and spending time with me to learn, and I'm helping you to problem solve, and we're spending that time together, right? That very precious time that I'm spending with one customer that I'm not helping other customers or doing web orders or cleaning or maintaining my store, that is time just dedicated to you. That deposit ensures that that time isn't interrupted and that I'm able to actually help you and we're able to problem solve. And then again, that money just goes toward your purchase when it's made through the store. Now, if you're planning on registering, of course, if the item is registered with the store and brought through the store, you would get your deposit refunded as well. So our goal is not to charge more. It's just trying to help keep the flow of people safe in terms of cleanliness, because again, with the way the world is, we do want to keep everything fresh and clean, and we don't want any pregnant parents fighting or feeling like they're not getting the help and information that they need. So I cannot strongly recommend heading on over to our website, destinationbabykids.com, and booking one of our fabulous stroller or stroller car seat consultations. You'll get to work with me. If you're local, it's the best thing you can possibly do for yourself, but be sure to do that before you come in so you don't feel frustrated that you made a trip and you're not able to be served the way you want to be when you're able to come in, okay? Thanks, guys, and we will see you at an appointment. The rest of the store is open for shopping. It's just the strollers and car seats. Everything else you can see without any issue, but strollers and car seats, you need the appointment. Okay, thanks.